Hi everyone, it's Krista and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, hello again. So this is my channel. I love to do DIYs on a budget, Dollar Tree DIYs, thrift flips, farmhouse and rustic, wreaths, and seasonal decor. So if you like what you see here, you know what to do. Hit that red subscribe button. Also leave me comments. I love to hear what you guys think. And also give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and Facebook. And I also have an Etsy shop where I sell a lot of the things that I make on there. I sell craft kits so you guys can craft them yourself, and also the stuff that I make. So today's all about Christmas in July, and my host is Rustic and Lace and myself, and there will be a playlist as well, but I want you to go check her out. Brenda is super awesome. I love the crafts she makes. I will have her link down below in the description box as well. So first, DIY number one. We're doing Christmas in July, y'all. Christmas in July. So what I'm doing is I'm going to use all these paints, and I'm going to use this round laser cut piece that I cut out of my laser. And I'm going to be using the color Beach. This is Beachcomber. And I'm going to paint the circle with that. And then I'm going to do the crab in red. And he has a little Christmas hat that goes with him. And then the saying on it is Sandy Claus, which I thought was super cute. So that is what is on there. Now this I'm not going to be selling in my shop because this is just Christmas in July, and you know, it's just for the month of July. So I don't really think many people will be interested in this, but it's super fun to make stuff like this. So I was able to find these files on Etsy, and I cut them out on my laser. You could also get these files on Etsy, and you can cut them out with your Cricut. If you have a Cricut, Silhouette, Cameo, any of those will work for this as well. And I did the belt in black, of course, and he's wearing sunglasses, which I thought was super cute. I live in Florida, so this would be me because sometimes it's very warm here in December still, so this is super cute. For people who live in the South, you know, who don't like to put up the traditional Christmas stuff, this would be another idea. But you could also do a bathroom with this. I think that would be cute too. During Christmas time, you could decorate your bathroom with these. So yeah, but like I would probably put this on a shelf, like in my hallway area. But I think it's super cute. So I'm gluing all the pieces down with my super wood glue from Dollar Tree and also hot glue. And as you can see, it's just really simple to put together. I made these all really simple for this collab that we're doing, this challenge. And then his little belt buckle, and I just think he looks super cute, you guys. Look at him. And then they have these little holly leaves too, so I stuck those on there as well. And there he is. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. But today, like I said, is all about Christmas in July. And it's myself and Rustic and Lace DIY, Brenda. Go check her out. I will have her link down below. There will also be a playlist, so make sure you go check everyone out. So now DIY number two. So this DIY is super cute too. I used my laser cutter again, guys, but you could get sand dollars from the Dollar Tree. They had them out. I don't know if they still do, but they did have them out. So I'm going to use 3 sand dollars, and I'm going to use a little Santa hat, this scrapbook paper, and then this little piece of wood that I have that looks like shiplap wood. I got it from, I think I got this piece of wood from actually the dollar spot at Target. They always have this type of stuff there. I'm using my finger to make those wedges, which is really simple because if you dig your finger in there or you use a tool and you do it, you can make it very easy to cut your strips so that you can make it still look like a shiplap instead of covering the whole thing. I like the shiplap look, so that's why I did this. I just used my Mod Podge, and then I just glued each strip down. But as you could see in the beginning, you could see where I ran my finger, and I just used either scissors or my little cutter that I have to cut it all. Then I sanded the edges once the Mod Podge dried, and then I'm going to paint my sand dollars. Now, I didn't use white paint for my sand dollars. I used this called warm white paint, and it's from Folk Art. And I really like that color, so that's what I used. But I used white for the bottom part of my Santa hat, of course, and then the little ball at the top. And then I used the red color for the hat. This came out super, super cute, too. And then I used a carrot stick that I made with cardboard. I just cut out a little piece of a carrot and made it for my Santa hat. I mean, my Santa, I mean, my snowman. Oh my goodness, I'm so confused, you guys. So then I went around the edges with my dark antiquing wax. I love using this stuff. It is in my Amazon shop in case you guys are interested in purchasing it. I use a stencil brush and I just dab it very lightly. And I also used my baby wipe. I didn't want a lot of the dark wax. I just wanted a little bit around the edges and around the inside of the sand dollars. Then I'm going to put all my pieces together. So I'm just going to make my sand dollars like a little bit crooked, so it looks like, you know, it's not so perfect. And then I took my little carrot nose that I cut out of cardboard and I glued that to my top of my snowman. Now I'm using some Mod Podge, and this is sand from the Dollar Tree, and I just poured it on top of the Mod Podge, and then I just put it inside the plate like that, so it didn't make a mess. Then I used this spray glue to spray it so that it would stay and it wouldn't, you know, sand all over the place. Now I'm going to glue each one of the sand dollars together to make it look like a snowman. And then I'm going to glue the pieces down all together. So first I glued them together and then I glued them down as one. And I also glued the hat on the top. And then I had this little ephemera, I guess you would call it, piece there that has a saying on there. It says warm wishes, which I thought was really cute and would go perfect. And it was also blue, so it went with the paper and everything. So I just stuck that on the top. And then I just glued the whole piece down. Now, carrot nose, you can use whatever you want, but I used cardboard, and I just peeled off the top of the cardboard so you could see the little, pieces on the inside, which makes it look a little more rustic. And then I'm going to glue a little beads. These are little berries on the top of my hat, and that little snow, it's a snowed pine cone. It has like snow on it. I had that in my stash from last year. I think I got it at Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to use these little black beads that I have to make the little eyes for the snowman. And they fit perfect in the little sand dollar. So yeah. And then I decided to go in with some of these little shells that I had. I don't remember where I got these. I think it was Hobby Lobby. They were in a little package. But look how cute that came out, you guys. I think it's so cute. So like I said, this is all about Christmas in July. So make sure you go check out Brenda from Rustic and Lace and also the playlist. Now on to DIY number 3. So DIY number 3, I'm going to take some chalk paste, also some little bits and pieces from the Dollar Tree, another sand dollar. I'm going to use that stencil and then this wood piece from the Dollar Tree and also some scrapbook paper. So first I'm just going to go down with the Mod Podge and I'm going to smooth that out. And then I'm going to take the piece of scrapbook paper and I'm going to put that down. Next, I'm going to paint my sand dollar again with that. No, this time I painted it with white. Now I'm going to go in with, see the joy? I'm going to make the O be the sand dollar. So I'm using a shimmer chalk piece. I am a Chalk Couture designer, so that's where I got this stencil from. You could also get stencils online though, on Amazon, just like this. These are silk stencils, they're called. And you just use a little squeegee and you use your chalk paste and it goes right through it and comes out perfect and crisp every time, you guys. I love that stuff. And then I'm going to take my sand dollar now and I'm going to glue that down in the center for my O for joy. So it just says joy to the world. And I thought this was super cute too. And the scrapbook paper I've had for a long time. So just use whatever scrapbook paper you have from Christmas and just put it on there. And then I'm going to use this little beaded grapevine. I got this from Dollar Tree as well. These were little like pearls on them, it looks like almost. And I just stapled them to the back. And then I'm going to take these little pieces. You get these little packs at Dollar Tree during Christmas time, and that's what I'm using. And I'm just going to put a pine cone and one of these little white flowers that are in there, and then I'm going to glue them down to the sides as well. And then once I get those glued down, I also decided to come in with a little piece of greenery. So this was also in that packet from the Dollar Tree, and I just took a little piece off of my vine there, and I just glued those down as well. And this would be cute as a shelf sitter, or you could hang it up. You could just put a little hanger on the back. But I absolutely love the way this turned out too. Let me know what you guys think down below. So now DIY number 4. So this one is some ornaments that are like beachy but Christmassy. So I cut these out as well on my laser cutter, and I'm going to paint them. So I did a crab with a little Santa hat, and then I did a flamingo with a Santa hat, and also holly leaves and little berries. So I did the flamingo in this pink vintage rose color, and then I did this crab in blue. And then of course I'm going to do the Santa hats the same. It's just going to be the white with the red. This one's really simple too. And then I just I'm going to take them and glue the hats on and the little berries and everything. Now I did the little holly leaves in a moss green color, and then the berries, of course, in the red. And then I'm just going to glue them all together. And you can put these on your Christmas tree and make a really cute little, like, if you live in the South, like I said, you could make a little beach Christmas tree and put these little ornaments on there. So cute. And I get these files all from Etsy, you guys. So if you have a machine, you could cut these out yourself as well. And then I put the little hat on, and I just think these turned out so cute. I love being able to make this stuff, you know. It's super fun. And then I just glued everything down, and then I just put a piece of jute twine on them so that I can hang them. And I am going to make a little tree, and I usually put it up in one of my bathrooms in my house because I live in Florida, so it goes with my weather here. And there they are. Aren't they cute? And that's it, you guys. So make sure you go check everyone out. Don't forget to click the links. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Go check out my Etsy shop. I have tons of stuff in there. I'm putting a lot of fall in there right now, guys. So go check it out. Everything's in the description box. And I want to thank you guys for watching. And as always, stay crafty. Bye.